Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Now I've got a little box of Happy Mail. Look at this, and it's quite packed. It's from a lady called Lynn and it came all the way from the USA. This. Now I will point out Muttley's had a nibble at it. That was Muttley. Muttley's been nibbling on the box. So I'm going to open this up. I can't put any but I've got to keep them out of his way now. So I'll get this opened and we'll have a little look at what surprises we've got. Muttley's down there waiting with his ball. Put my scissors down. Right, let's have a look and see what Lynn has sent. Whoa. Oh, what a pretty box. Look at that. Oh, it's really pretty inside. Look at this. Oh, my goodness. Oh, my goodness. It's like a chenille. Oh, look at that. Oh, that's so pretty. This is a Red Heart Cutie Pie. It's 100-gram balls, 326 yards by 298 meters. Look at that. Oh, that's so pretty. We'll take one out. Oh, there's the open there. We'll open that up and take these out. I'll just take them out just now. Muttley's jumping up and down on my leg. Look at that. This is absolutely beautiful. It's so soft. It's like a baby chenille, like you would get in the UK. It's not a thick one, so I think it's going to crochet absolutely amazing. Now there is a pattern. It's a knitting pattern that's in there though. But you can go on to redheart.com and you can get a lot of free patterns. If you're in the UK, they are in US terms, but they're quite easy to decipher. I'll pop that aside. There's another one that is absolutely beautiful, and thank you so much. And look at these. Oh, that's so pretty. King Cole Sprite. Look at the lovely colours in that. Look. Oh my goodness, look at that. It goes into all these colours. And there's blues in there and everything. You don't see that on the outside. But look at that. Look at that change. That is so pretty. Oh, that's pretty. I really like that. And it's really soft. It's a King Cole. Its shade is Corfu. It's got a number 1903, but it says Corfu. It's 100 grams. Tells you to use a 4mm crochet hook or knitting needle. That is really pretty. I like that. Very nice. Enough to make something. And nice little pair of slippers for myself. Oh, these are lovely. Look at this. Premium garden cotton. 284 yards. 260 meters. 3.5 ounces or a UK 100 grams. And it's a number 3 lightweight. Tells you to use a 4.5mm crochet hook. That is so pretty, that is so pretty, and it's really soft as well. I love the box. I love that box. I'll need to turn this box inside out so it's like that on the outside. That is really pretty. There's a little note as well. Some random yarns that you had in your stash. Of course I can use them. That is brilliant. From Lynn. That is wonderful. Look at that. Look at that one. It's that same Premier Garden. That's so pretty. Love the colours in that. I'll pop that there. And there's two of these ones. Oh, it's Karen Simply Soft. I didn't expect that to be Karen Simply Soft. They're ombre. That's pretty. It goes from a light grey to a dark. So pretty. There's two of these ones. I think they're both the same colour. Let's have a little look for the colours. I can't find the colour. Well, there we go. Stormy weather. Stormy weather. Both of them are stormy weather. Look at that. That is so pretty. Of course I'm going to be able to use these. That is a lovely happy meal. Really happy. I really like these. These are so pretty. Look at that. They're so pretty. That's so nice as well. Absolutely beautiful. And the sunshine's even coming out as well. Lynn, thank you so much. Thank you so much. It's absolutely beautiful. I love that. And that is plenty to make a beautiful little blanket. It really is. I've got such a long list of blankets to get done, especially now that I've got my webcam fixed. That's why there's been a little delay in a lot of the videos that I've been doing. I've had to get this webcam up here replaced, and the video recording equipment wasn't working. They've updated it, and it wasn't working very well with my old computer. So hopefully I've got it sorted now. But anyway, thank you so much, Lynn. I really appreciate it. I'll pop them. I love that inside of that box. Look at these. These are beautiful. They're absolutely beautiful balls of yarn. I hope that one's going to fall off. So thank you so much. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, then please click on that subscribe button, especially if you're enjoying the Happy Mail. And I will put my email address at the end of the video, that if you want to send some Happy Mail, that'll get featured on the channel. And if you click on that bell icon, then YouTube will let you know when I put up another tutorial. So until the next Happy Meal or the next video, whatever comes along first, happy crafting, and I'll see you all again soon. Goodbye.